Ever wondered how designers take a simple idea and transform it into something extraordinary? Well, mood boards and inspiration boards are two powerful tools that can fuel a creativity and shape your designs in remarkable ways. In this video, we'll explore their practical value and how they can boost your creative process. But before we dive in, if you're passionate about design and creativity, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. And hey, drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts as we go along. Let's start with the mood board. This tool helps you define the avatar, the user profile that your design will target. By translating characteristics like gender, age, profession, and lifestyle into visual elements, the mood board creates a vivid representation of your audience. This foundation ensures your design connects with the right people in a meaningful way. But how do you find the perfect image for your mood board? It's easier than you think. You can search on Google or Pinterest for visuals that match your theme, or even create custom images using AI apps. The goal is to find visuals that truly capture your persona's essence. Next, we have the inspiration board. This is all about capturing the feeling and style of your design. It draws from elements like accessories, watches, sneakers, home decor, and architecture to inspire the sculpture philosophy of form. These elements guide your creativity direction, helping you craft a cohesive and impactful design. And just like with the mood board, you can search for inspiration using Google, Pinterest, or AI apps. The key is to gather visuals that spark ideas and align with the design mood you want to create. By the way, if you're struggling with your portfolio or not hearing back from studios, click the card above to check out my video about individual mentoring right after this one. I'll guide you step by step to create a portfolio that stands out and lands you the job you've been aiming for. In short, the mood board helps you understand who you are designing for, while inspirational board guides you the how, the feeling, and the aesthetics of your work. And together, they are essential tools for any designer looking to take their projects to the next level. Want to learn how to create your own mood and inspirational boards? Subscribe and stay tuned for more tips to fuel your creativity. And if you have used this tool before, let me know in the comments how they have helped your design process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!